Hello, let's go over the third panel material function. So it basically allows you to vertical pan anything you want. I'm going to preview that one. You can see it going up and down. But it also does this for the UVs. So if I grab a sprite and make it go there, up and down, there. Kind of want it to be clamped though, so let's set it to clamped. Now we only have one. Dim, dim. And if you have the right preview mesh, let me see if I can grab the right one. There. Now it's moving along that mesh. I'm going to multiply that with a color real quick. Let's grab a nice bluish color. And plug that into the emissive color. And the regular one just in the opacity, so I can start previewing this one. You'll see you get something like this. And that's basically all it does. There's also a gradient output in case you want to do something different. Let me grab another texture and place it in here. And now I can just multiply the gradient output with this, plug that into the opacity slot, and we have something that goes like this. So you can use it in two different ways, and that's kind of nice. Now, what about the inputs? Let me set it up the old way again and grab a simple sprite texture. There. I'm also going to use this over here. Now let's say that you have something different. You want to scale that thing from the center. So scale from, what's it called? From center. No. Scale UVs by center. There we go. Plug those into the UVs and scale those UVs. Let's make them half as big. There, as you can see now, it's not totally going off that mesh. So what you want to do is play with these values. At the moment it's -1. So let's try -1.5. And now that works. We also need to invert that value. So let's do 1.5 for this one. There you go. Generally, this value is what you need to add or subtract. And again, with the UV values, you can use a distortion if you want. But that's not really the case in this case. You can also use the UVs over here. Now it's a little bit distorted. Let me remove the background real quick so you can see it a little bit better. But let's not go as far as the moment. You can use any dynamic parameter here. You can control it through Blueprint, Cascade, Niagara, whatever you want. Again, I'm going to show you with a time function real quick. Set the period to 1. Now it only moves from bottom to top over and over again. So play around with those values. Okay, that should be it for the third panel. Take care.